by each grade level, we will end the day with the promotion of our first graders. Principal Fuller, our principal would like to say a few words. Principal Fuller!
Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining us for our annual end of the year Aloha Assembly.
Hello, my name is Jermaine. I am Ason. We are your kindergarten speakers. Now it is time to say goodbye and best wishes to our first grade. We will really miss you. Principal Fuller, will you please say a few words to our first graders?
Can I have our first graders turn and face me? One of the proudest moments to see our first graders move on.
Jermaine, I want to say a few words. What is it, Kathrine? I want to say thank you, friends, teachers, and especially parents for teaching and supporting us all these years. You made our time at Linapuni very, very special. And remember us, for we will become the next doctors, carpenters, police officers, judges, firemen, and maybe a teacher or even Kathrine Nomor, President of the United States. You can be whatever you want, Kathrine. Go for it. Thank you, Jermaine. Now our teachers will recognize our first graders as they get promoted to second grade and move on. My name is Komodo and this melody of this Komodo.
Kathrine Nomno, Nainoa Ruben Tintaman, Cecilia Lynn Kapjo, Candice Franfin, Chance Makaichi, Franny Jejan, Apaka